In this video, I'll show you how to create an anime using AI tools. The entire AI generation workflow is completed with any video converter, from image generation to video creation. Step 1. Story concept and outline. Before generating any images or videos, it's essential to have a clear concept. Define the core elements of your anime: the story theme, the main character, and the overall tone. Step 2. Storyboard design. After the outline, the next step is creating a storyboard. Each storyboard frame represents one scene in the anime. At this stage, determine the scene order, character actions, camera perspective, and visual focus. This helps translate the story into visual content and prepares everything needed for AI generation. Step 3. Scene and character definition. Based on the storyboard, list all prompts used later for images and videos. Ensure they are clear and consistent. Step 4. Generating images with AI Image Generator. Now we move on to image generation using the AI Image Generator in any video converter. Before generating multiple images, it's critical to design the main character first. This reference image will be used throughout the entire project. Step 5. Maintaining character consistency. When generating additional images, use the reference image and keep the prompts consistent. This approach ensures that the character's facial features, hairstyle, clothing, and style remain the same across all scenes. Character consistency is one of the most important factors in AI-generated animation. Step 6. Generating videos with AI Video Generator. Once all images are ready, use the AI Video Generator. Upload the images and write prompts that describe the character's actions and the scene environment. It's important that the prompt matches both the reference image and the scene settings to maintain visual continuity. After confirming the settings, simply submit the task and wait for the video to be generated. Step 8. Post-production. After all video clips are generated, add voiceover and subtitles to enhance storytelling and improve viewer understanding.
These days, I wonder, is this how most young people spend their days?
This is the complete workflow for creating an anime. By combining structured planning with AI tools, you can efficiently produce consistent and high-quality animated content. Thank you for watching.